Hi, welcome to ViewPro. Imagine you're the senior manager overseeing the construction of 3 buildings. It's time to review how well the project is performing. You'd like to know detailed production rates broken down into separate activities in each building. Often, your project manager can't quite tell how many man-hours are being spent on individual tasks. He also finds it hard to tell you what activities are on track and on budget. And he doesn't quite know what production rate should be used for the next tender. In many cases, project managers need to juggle figures in awkward spreadsheets to generate reports. This can be a very drawn-out process, prone to errors. Often, they can only present a report showing man-hours spent versus the original budget. Detailed analysis isn't common because construction data can be notoriously tough to keep track of. If we can't clearly see what areas are meeting their targets, how can we improve our production rates? ViewPro is a web-based construction productivity solution with many powerful features to help see targets and spot challenging aspects of your projects. Key features include automatic report generation, fast, easy and reliable data logging methods, live charting to visualize progress, a useful overview dashboard, a project summary table, and an easy project builder to get your project started quickly. ViewPro is web-based, so it goes where you go. Let's show you what ViewPro can do for you. First up is the dashboard. This page is headed by an overall summary table displaying key data for the project. Information is also shown for the previous 4 weeks, including spent and earned hours, production factors, percent complete, percent overheads, and average workers per day. Below the table are pie charts showing where man-hours have been spent. Below them, we see corresponding color-coded production factors. Simple visuals like these guide the eye to help highlight productive and not so productive work areas. The next key tool is a project summary. This is an overview table detailing all quantities, man-hours, and production factors. From a few simple clicks, users can drill into their project to easily identify troubled areas and activities, so action can be taken to turn around poor production. Take this example. Here we see that over 690 man-hours have been lost with only 22% of the task complete. Users can drill into further detail by clicking on any of the figures in the project summary. Depending on the value clicked, the user will be brought to a relevant graph or chart. In the Graphs and Charts section, users can visually inspect their project through a wide range of live visual tools. Charting is a great place to view the project over time, to note any positive or negative trending. Users have the power to drill down through the charts, viewing the project in terms of budget, progress, and productivity. The Area Activity Selector is also a commonly used tool to help users switch or isolate between various tasks. Now we look at reports. ViewPro also generates automatic daily, weekly, and monthly reports covering workers, equipment, production and quantities, utilizations, and much more. These automatic reports show users how productive they are day to day. Our simple reports can show production factors for individual tasks or wrapped up for the project as a whole. Reports display key information such as spent and earned man-hours, task production factors, percent complete, supervisor's estimated variance, and production rates for the period. Remember, all this is automatically generated from the daily data, leaving your site team to concentrate on running the project. Meanwhile, senior management can be confident that the uniform reporting process is providing accurate data on time, all of the time. Let's look at daily entry. Because workers are usually divided into crews, ViewPro has designed its logging process to group personnel and equipment together for the same task. This significantly streamlines an often difficult process. All items are logged against 3 levels of areas and 3 levels of disciplines. This ensures that hours are logged to a specific task, so you will always be able to generate a production rate. Once all the workers and equipment hours have been entered, a unique list of tasks is generated from the log data to allow speedy entry of the daily progress. Quantities can be entered as actual units or as a % complete for difficult to measure items. As quantities are entered, budget man hours are earned, which are then compared to the spent man hours for detailed analysis. For a few simple minutes a day, your project management team can have real-time detailed analysis of the project, quickly and easily identifying project shortfalls. Most important of all, your company will have a detailed record of all production rates and performance at the completion of the project. This has the long-term benefit of encouraging continuous improvement and competitive future tenders.